It's me, correct, Arun Yadav, belongs to 12th class, and I am working on my English project. And now I am going to take interview of my colleagues. And his name is Shyam Mahapatra. And Mr. Mahapatra, would like to ask one question. What does a healthy diet look like to you?
A healthy diet means ample amount of green vegetable which consists of protein, which is very essential for our diet.
I want to ask one more question. How many serving of foods do you take in a day?
I take 7 to 8 times of serving a day because I strongly believe that more amount of food will make our stomach heavier, which is not required for a teenager who is very active in his life. So I take small amount of servings in period of time.
Would you like to give one more answer? How many serving of fruits and vegetables do you have per day?
I take 2 times of serving of fruits and vegetables. First in the evening and another in the morning when in the breakfast time. Because in the breakfast it is very essential for a boost to start the day. So
would you like green vegetable or not?
yes, it is very essential because it consists of protein, and for a growing teenager in his life protein is very essential for doing his daily activities.
So thank you, Mom.